Hello and welcome to Dialogue at Nation Next. I am Radhika Dhawan and today I am in conversation with Bollywood's most ideal bhabi, Renuka Shani.
Hi.
She became a household name in the 80s because of a popular show Surbhi on Doordarshan, and today she's made her directorial debut with Tribhanga movie that stars Kajol and Tanvi Azmi, which also revolves around the delicate daughter mother daughter relationship in the movie. A very warm welcome, Renuka ji, and congratulations for the movie.
Thank you so much, Radhika. Thanks for having me.
Please tell me, सबसे पहले तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आया, like what made you go ahead with this movie, like what was it, like that's your directorial, I mean, debut and this topic.
एक्चुअली ये वो मेरा डायरेक्टोरियल डेब्यू नहीं है, हिंदी में मेरा डेब्यू है। मैंने मराठी फिल्म करी थी
Yeah,
रीटा नाम की 2009 में, सो दैट्स
yeah,
माय डायरेक्टोरियल डेब्यू।
yeah, हिंदी of
तो
course,
बहुत
हिंदी.
साल से, हाँ जी जी, बहुत साल से मेरे दिमाग में था कि मुझे इनफैक्ट रीटा के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मैं 2-1 साल में एक-एक फिल्म करती रहूंगी, पर
Yeah.
लाइफ हैज वेज ऑफ टीचिंग यू दैट यू नो यू माइट डिसाइड समथिंग बट यू नो अदर थिंग्स हैपन। तो इसलिए 2013 में एक वर्कशॉप, मुंबई मंत्रा सनडांस का वर्कशॉप अनाउंस हुआ, और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि रीटा जो थी वो इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन माय मदर्स नॉवेल, तो
Hmm.
इट इज नॉट ओरिजिनली माय स्क्रिप्ट, है ना। तो मुझे
Hmm.
ओरिजिनली अगर एज अ राइटर मुझे अपने आप को डेवलप करना है, तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे थोड़ा सा प्रशिक्षण चाहिए, तो आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई टेक अ स्क्रिप्ट टू द मुंबई मंत्रा स्क्रीन राइटर्स वर्कशॉप। तो उसके लिए मैंने ये त्रिभंग की स्क्रिप्ट मतलब
Hmm.
लिखी नहीं पूरी, जस्ट
Yeah.
10 पन्ने लिखे थे, जिसमें ये कैरेक्टर्स यही थे, तीन औरतों की कहानी, और नाम त्रिभंग था। और
Hmm.
कुछ उसके जो सीन्स थे, जैसे लड्डू वाला सीन था उसमें, और कुछ डांस वाला जो पहला सीक्वेंस था वो लिखा हुआ था। तो ऐसी चीजें मैंने लिख के 10 पन्ने उनको भेजे। उनको बड़ा बढ़िया लगा, तो उन्होंने मुझे न्योता दिया। तो आई वाज अ फेलो अलोंग विद 7 अदर्स इन दैट वर्कशॉप, एंड उसमें मेंटरिंग करते हैं। वर्कशॉप में 8 दिन का वर्कशॉप होता है, तो उसमें पीपल लाइक बिल व्हीलर, मालिया स्कॉच मार्मो, then Anjum Rajabali, Asif Kapadia, they were my mentors, and they spoke about the script in very various ways, details. और उसके बाद मैंने काम किया उस पे, 3 साल लग गए और for it to be a proper bound script. फिर I took it to co-production market NFDC in 2016. उसके बाद आके I started pitching it to producers. फिर जाके 2018 में मुझे सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा मिले, who loved the script and
Yeah.
decided to back it as a producer. And he's the one who suggested that I should take it to Kajol, that she should play Anu. Luckily for me, Kajol loved the script and said yes for it, and
Exactly.
then
That's
everything fell
what.
into place.
Exactly, that's what I wanted to ask you. Ki Kajol has been like very choosy about her
Yeah,
scripts since the beginning. There was a
yeah,
time when जिसे जो script मिला वो कर लेता था, but Kajol was very choosy about her
yeah,
scripts.
yeah.
ऐसा उन्हें क्या अच्छा लगा इस मूवी में that she said a yes.
आई थिंक पहले ही दिन जब मैंने नरेशन दिया था उनको, तब उनको पूरी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगी।
Okay.
उनको सारे कैरेक्टर्स अच्छे लगे थे, अनु तो खास तौर से अच्छी लगी थी।
Hmm.
और उन्होंने सिर्फ एक बार नहीं, 5 बार स्क्रिप्ट सुनी है मुझसे ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, और उन्होंने ही कहा है कि हर बार उनको कुछ ना कुछ नया मिला उस स्क्रिप्ट में और उनको अच्छा लगा। So that is when she decided that she is definitely going to play Anu. एंड एक बार उन्होंने डिसाइड किया, फिर उसके बाद में फिर बाकी की कास्टिंग वगैरह करना बहुत ही आसान था, because then you know everybody also, like a lot of actors wanted to work with her also. So
Yeah.
yeah, everybody was very excited, and that's how this whole journey began of making the film.
Renuka ji, this film revolves around a mother-daughter relationship, of course. So you tell us, how has your relation with your mother been?
My relationship with my mother, I think, is very very exceptional, क्योंकि मेरी माँ राइटर है खुद। तो
Right.
वो जो बैकग्राउंड मैंने दिखाया वो बिल्कुल काफी मिलता जुलता है, और फिर टिपिकल महाराष्ट्रन बैकग्राउंड, जिसमें मेरी माँ लेखिका है। तो पर एक डिफरेंस ये था कि आई डोंट हैव एनी ग्रजेस, इनफैक्ट आई हैव
Yeah.
द बेस्ट रिलेशनशिप विद माय मदर,
Right.
एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन हर वन ऑफ हर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। दैट मैं मेरे बचपन से ही आई हैव बीन हर कॉन्फिडेंट, और अब तो मतलब मैं कॉन्फिडेंट ही हूँ, कभी-कभी मैं भी उनकी माँ बन जाती हूँ, बिकॉज़ आई हैव नाउ हैड किड्स ऑफ माय ओन. सो हमारी रिलेशनशिप इतनी क्लोज है कि व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग त्रिभंगा, दैट वाज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू वर्क विद, कि अगर मेरी रिलेशनशिप क्लोज नहीं होती, तो क्या मैं ऐसी होती जैसी मैं हूँ?
Right.
क्या मैं अनु बन जाती? So that was the way I thought.
I have been told कि इस मूवी में even काजोल said कि इस मूवी, I mean this is such a sensitive and an emotional movie, और इसकी मूवी के मेकिंग के वक्त it was such a hilarious situation कि वो जमीन पे लेट लेट कर हंसती थी. तो
हाँ.
what used to happen, if you could tell us कि क्या होता
Used to, I can't even remember कि हम ऐसा क्या बोल रहे थे जिसकी वजह से हमको बहुत मजा आ रहा था. लेकिन sharing jokes and just laughing about, I think it was a very joyful set. I think हम सब बहुत उत्साह से आते थे. We loved everybody who we were working with. We gelled very well. There were no egos. So I think that everybody when on screen, कितना भी intense क्यों ना हो जो करना था, लेकिन ऑफ स्क्रीन हमने मजा बहुत किया. हम कुछ ऐसे भी जोक्स कहते थे एक दूसरे को जो फैमिली ऑडियंस के सामने नहीं शेयर कर
है? Oh my
सकते.
God. But I think that rapport is pretty much visible in that movie, I
Yeah,
must
yeah, yeah,
say.
it is. Yeah, yeah. We really gelled very well together.
Okay, this discussion is absolutely incomplete if we do not talk about हम आपके हैं कौन and Pooja Bhabi. Okay, आप बहुत सालों के बाद हाथ आइए हमारे, तो I really want to ask you. There was a video that went viral. You were falling down the stairs, and that's the most saddest part of हम आपके हैं कौन, and
Yeah.
वहाँ से पूरी movie change होती है. And you said that staircase was made of sponge. If you could
It
tell us what
was.
exactly was that moment and क्या
Actually, Suraj ji na doesn't want to hurt his actors at all.
Okay.
अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टेंसेस वो इतने ख्याल रखते थे हम सबका, हमारी लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स का, हमको कहीं हर्ट ना हो. इमोशनली आल्सो वी शुड बी वेरी वेल लुक्ड आफ्टर. सो दिस इज द वे राजश्री प्रोडक्शंस इज. दे आर वेरी वेरी केयरिंग पीपल. तो जब उनको मतलब ये सीक्वेंस करना था, वो खुद मुझसे ज्यादा नर्वस तो वो थे कि मुझे अभी रोल डाउन करना है स्टेयरकेस से. तो इसलिए उन्होंने ना स्पॉन्ज की स्टेयरकेस बनवाई थी फॉर माय क्लोज अप, क्योंकि
Okay.
वो बार बार करना पड़ता है. इट डजंट हैपन इन जस्ट वन टेक, यू हैव टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टेक्स.
Yeah, yeah.
तो रीटेक के ऊपर रीटेक लेते समय it would become really very traumatic actually. I would pain if I had to actually do that in a real
Right,
staircase.
right.
So that's the reason why they built a sponge staircase, and then I had to act as if I was getting hurt very badly.
Actually, I mean, it must have been nothing, like absolutely no
Was
pain at
it
all.
was not. In fact, in the close-up, if you see, he specifically asked me to, kind of keep my head pressed down so that it looks as if it is, kind of being hurt while rolling down. So we had to, in fact, do the opposite. कि मजा आ रहा था मुझे और मुझे ये करना था अभिनय कि भाई मुझे hurt हो रहा है.
How was that reaction? Like, of course, you must be, of course, that movie was a blockbuster and people loved you in that movie.
Yeah.
लोगों को कैसा reaction था जब आपका character की death होती उस movie में,
My
and that's
God.
like the turning
मतलब
point.
अब एक दो बार मैंने ऑडियंस के साथ फिल्म देखी है, एंड लाइक at that point people would just gasp and there was this silence and followed by howls of crying, people crying throughout the audience,
Oh my God.
literally. Yeah, literally crying. So I think my bidai scene and my death scene were two places where I could hear people crying,
Oh my
not
goodness.
just women but even the men, they were like crying like children. And so it was really impactful, and I think a lot of young children were so badly impacted by it that I used to get letters saying that how do we explain to them that you're actually alive, and that they should not feel so bad. But yeah, elders also, even youngsters, they were really very very affected by the death of that character which they loved.
I want you to do a quick rapid fire with me. Your take on paparazzi culture in Bollywood.
It should be kinder, I think.
Okay, fair enough. I mean, you're quite honest in it. Even I agree with this. Your take on airport looks.
Oh,
The
I wish
importance given to airport looks.
No, I wish I could create something like that, but I'm so jaldi when it comes to style.
No, I don't think you need to do any particular thing to,
No, but I
stand
think because there are photographers there. I mean, it looks stupid if you kind of wear nothing, which is what like I mean, don't think about what you're going to wear, because now you know that there'll be photographers there and they're always wanting to take your snap at the airport. So one has to think. Earlier, I used to never think कि airport जाते समय क्या पहनूं क्या
Yeah.
नहीं. But now I have to really think कि नहीं थोड़ा सा तो ठीक लगूं.
See, you have been naturally skinny.
Yeah.
Now today actresses want to deliberately be skinny. Your take on actresses who are just starving themselves to be skinny?
I was skinny at the time when खाते पीते घर के लोग पसंद आते थे लोग. So I
True.
was in the wrong skinny at the wrong time.
Generation
And then I put on weight and then it became skinny, became trending. So I mean, I'm never getting it right. And for me, I feel that one shouldn't judge a person by or the talent by the size. I feel very sad that we are all trying to fit into one sancha, which I don't think is right for anything. As human beings, each and every one of us are completely unique for a reason.
Yeah.
And therefore, as long as you are healthy, you have to take care of yourself in terms of health. But
Yeah.
I have seen the fattest people who are healthy and the thinnest people who
True.
might not be healthy. So
True.
one should not try to fit in. Let's be unique and let's celebrate every size.
Your take on this 100 movie club business, no matter how the movie is.
In terms of 500 crores and 100 crores, वैसा?
Yeah. People,
It's a
I mean,
big
people have
pressure.
this barometer. If it has crossed 100
Yeah.
crore, it's a good movie.
Yeah.
What is
But
your,
then
because you're
OTT
quite
has
a
come and broken.
quality-oriented actor.
OTT has broken that 100 crore, 500 crore thing completely. So I'm very happy that we've come out of that system now.
Your take on Indians' obsession with fair skin, fair complexion.
It's rubbish. I think it is one of the things that we should have, when we kicked out the British, we should have kicked that out also from us. And, celebrated our brownness or darkness or fairness or whatever color we are. I mean, as I said, like for sizes, the same thing applies. We are born a certain way, and why should we consider that, something to look down upon? It's ridiculous, the kind of racism we have.
What's closer to your heart, Surbhi or Pooja Bhabi?
My God, this is some choice that I can't make. Yeah, come on.
No, you have to make a choice. I mean, we're not going to feel bad anyway because we love both.
Yeah, no, but I would feel bad if I make a choice. Oh no. But there are two different things also, na? Anchoring and acting.
Yeah, but
So yeah.
Okay. Theater or movies?
Theater or movies? Again, movies.
Oh wow. Madhuri Dixit in Hum Aapke Hai Kaun or Madhuri Dixit in Bucket List with you?
I would say Madhuri Dixit in Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. So that was the first time I got to work with her.
Thank you so much, Renuka ji. It was a pleasure talking to you, and all the best. And we just hope you keep coming up with more Hindi movies so that your movies are watched by everybody across.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Radhika.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Nation Next YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates from Nation Next. Also like Nation Next Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter.